Data filtering is a great feature of Excel that gives us control over how worksheet data is displayed. We can apply data filters so that only the information we need shows, or to help us find something specific on our worksheet. Now, sorting and filtering data are similar, but unlike sorting, when you filter data, the data displayed on your worksheet changes according to the filters you have applied. All irrelevant data is hidden. When we want to use filters, column headers are very important because our filters will be added to them. So you must ensure that your header row identifies the data contained in the columns. In our worksheet, we have a lot of information from Food2Go's customer survey. Data filtering can help us simplify our worksheet so that we can easily see only the information we need. So how do we apply filters? Click anywhere on your cell range, go to the data ribbon and click on the filter icon. You will then see drop-down arrows added to each column header. It's also very convenient to use keyboard shortcuts to turn filters on and off. Just click anywhere on the cell range and press Ctrl-Shift-L on your keyboard. If your data contains any blank rows or columns, you should select the cell range before applying filters so that Excel knows that it's a single data range. Now, to see all the filtering options available, you just have to click on the drop-down arrow in the column you want to filter. Ishan is curious to find out if his prediction is true. From this worksheet, he wants to see only the customers who listed Chinese, Japanese, or Thai as DIY meal box preferences. To see this, we need to filter the data in column I. If we click on the filter drop-down arrow, we will see all the cuisines listed that appear in that column. All of them are ticked, which indicates that they are all displayed. We can just deselect everything by unticking this box and then tick the cuisines we want to see. We can now click OK to apply the filter, and our worksheet will only display the data that meets our criteria. When a filter is applied to a column, if you look carefully, you'll notice that the icon next to your column header changes to a filter icon. This is one way of knowing when filters are applied to any columns on a worksheet. Once you've added a filter, you can narrow down your search even further by applying another filter. Let's now filter column H to show only the people who said yes, they would order DIY meal boxes. So we just click on the drop-down arrow in cell H1, and this time we can just untick no and click OK. We've now narrowed down our worksheet quite a bit, and it's only displaying the people who prefer Chinese, Japanese, or Thai as DIY meal box cuisines, and those who also indicated that they would order a DIY meal box. Ishan is pretty pleased with this valuable insight. And that's how the basic data filtering process works. Filters are quick, easy to apply, and very effective.